Hi YouTube! My life would not be complete unless I was bringing you two unboxings today, and one of them is my Sephora play. I just found my Etsy, that'll go up, and this is my Sephora play for the month of May. So we have this adorable little play bag. Let's dump the products out. So this is basically about, I think, like cult classics in the Sephora world. First and foremost, it's not really foremost, we have the Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying Mask. It's like a little mud mask in there. That's very cute. I would definitely look forward to using that. But once again, Sephora always finds a way that there's always a Sephora brand product in the Sephora play. Next we have the BB Thickening Spray Pre-Styler by Bumble & Bumble. So it's a hair product. I'm not really good with a spray pre-styler onto damp hair, then blow dry and style for a lift. So I guess this is like a thickening spray. Thickening spray, okay. Next I got the, Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I don't think I've ever actually tried this, so this is exciting. It's in Trooper Black. I have a wedding this weekend, so I want to test it out before I do that on any, I have two weddings this weekend. So I want to test it before I do this, obviously on anybody's face, but let me know also if you guys want to see like decluttering my makeup kit, because I need to go through and clean it out. I have too much stuff that I'm bringing to sets and wigs. Next we have the Benefit Professional Primer. I think I get this all the time, but I've never actually used it, so shame on me. So we get this little baby primer. Like, this is why Sephora play is not my favorite. Like, you need to know how obnoxious I am with my makeup. I'll use that once. And then last but not least, we have a Becca product. It's Champagne Pop, which I already own. Oh, it's broken. So this is Champagne Pop. I will swatch it, but mine unfortunately is shattered. That's a bummer, so maybe I can repress it, but this is a swatch of Champagne Pop. It's a little dark for my skin tone, but I'm sure I'll get a little color this summer. Please. And then, last but not least, I got a really good sample here in the Victor's Flower Bomb, which is redonkulously expensive. Like, I would never pay full price. And you don't even get like a full thing of this, so I don't even want to spray it. This to me is like a very vanilla floral scent that is very wintry, so I'm gonna save this for the winter. You know what? Fuck it. I'll just... Oh, I sprayed it in my mouth. I'll just spray it on myself, and I just sprayed probably like $14 on myself. Try to come at me, I am a pricey ass bitch now, okay? So that was my Sephora play. It was a pretty decent showing for Sephora play. I am actually like on the cusp for Sephora play of whether or not I like it. So I like that they did like greatest hits, because it's actually some products. I've tried Champagne Pop. It's like their most popular products that, you know, it's always nice to have backups of and to try and be able to know if you're part of the cult for the cult classics. But, you know, I'm pretty excited about this one, except for the broken Champagne Pop. Hashtag first world problems. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic evening.